Oh, oh, what is wrong with you? That's so bad.
So cold. No. Struggle is real.
The struggle is real. Cool.
Yes.
Kaylin approved.
Kaylin made.
Kaylin designed.
I like the mat. Ooh, I like it. You look like a toucan or something. What are we doing tonight, Josh?
Putting plastics on.
Putting plastics, which have graphics. They were mounted
You're
on
so
there.
enthusiastic.
I'm trying. We're putting these plastics on that have the new graphics because he has installed graphics on plastics, and it was quite an
It
adventure.
was not a failure.
Not a failure, but it was
struggle.
a struggle. Is this Scrub Design? No, this is Decal Works. That's Scrub. That's Scrub Designs. Scrub Designs, Decal Works, and they both mount them on the. I forgot I was freaking filming and not a profile. Upset.
Well, let's get this party started.
What?
Let's get this party started.
Get this party started. The man, the myth, the legend, Joshua Moore. This is coming out nicely though, without even having to put anything to it.
Yeah.
Just a few nice heat cycles. I have to announce something. Remember in the last video, I said something about not switching over to the dark side? You know, I might just be switching over to the dark side, y'all. I'm just kidding.
You might after you ride this thing.
I might, but I still like my my little Yammer hammer. And I was gonna stick Yamaha. Well, this happened, and I fell in love with it. So I bought a 350 SXF. I'm just kidding. I wish. No, I did not buy. I traded, straight up traded. 250 SXF. It's 2007, same year as my YZ 250F, but this one's bored out to 270, so it has a little bit more in it, which I like because he was leaving me in the dust with this Butte. He still will, because there's like an insane amount of power in that thing. But yeah, I joined the Orange Army, so if you're wondering where the pink and white Yammer hammer went, it went off to a new owner. She gone. Yep, so here I am. I never had a KTM before. I've always wanted a KTM. And because of this boy, he has brought me over to the dark side. But it's pretty happy over here on this side. We got Dukes, Supermotos. All right, we got the first one mounted. Lots more to go. Dang, there's a lot.
It's 4, just in different
Oh,
places.
gee. What's next, Captain?
Lovely fender.
Ooh, that's a nice touch back in there. Ooh. Front end of this baby's about to be complete.
Just play nicely. There we go. Oh, the bar pad's still in my truck.
Ooh. Because I got that for you for Christmas. Oh!
Saved it.
Replacing with that seat. Eventually. Got the vented airbox, right?
Yes.
Ooh, they sent him both because he didn't know if he was gonna like it.
No, I know I'd like it.
Yeah.
It's not time for the air box cover yet.
He got a little excited.
Got excited.
Cart before the horse.
Stick.
How's it coming?
Slowly but surely.
You liking the progress so far?
So far, so good. It's pretty
So
solid.
far, so good. We have quite the collection of leaves. They're like so overlapped.
At least I think they are. I don't know. I'm just pulling stuff off at this point.
For real. Oh, it's on top of this. Hang on, that's still. Oh, yep. Shout out to my sponsors, yo. For real. He doesn't like the color of the FMF logo, so he asked them to make it black and white, even though he has it full blast right there.
I hate yellow.
If anyone knows where to get the KTM, this is the 4.1 sticker, let us know, because we can't find it anywhere.
Sold out everywhere.
Everywhere. Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces passing, I'm homebound. Too focused. Da-na-na-na-na-na, and I want you, da-na-na-na-na-na, and I need you, da-na-na-na-na-na, and now I wonder.
It's not the same script.
Ooh, I love this part personally. Yep, there she is. Ooh, I love this part so much. Something else attaches into it. It's like a puzzle. You can't just put them on there. It's like, it's like a little protectiveness. That's cool. That's cool. Yeah, because literally the first week I had mine, my boots were rubbing it off. KTM jacket off, KTM shirt on. I don't think he has enough KTM things.
Nah. Never too much.
Looks freaking sick. Okay, it goes from here all the way back.
I see it now. We're running out of parts.
We're running out of parts, which is a good thing.
It's a good thing.
Josh, why did you pick the number 6? Do you want to tell the YouTubes why you picked number 6?
Not really.
Documentary time.
It's 'cause I used to suck at baseball, and then I wore number 6 the year I got good at baseball. Baseball players aren't superstitious.
Yes,
at all.
they are.
They're a little stitious.
But not super. I'm not superstitious. I am a little stitious.
Oh man, that was dumb.
Tune back later to see how Josh fixes that.
There's a lot going on with this piece.
Yeah. After a little bit of teamwork and a lot of stress, we got that piece on.
It's not fun.
Not fun. Bar pad time. Yeah. Woo! Oh my gosh. Ooh. Ooh. That seat added like more than I thought. I mean, I knew it was gonna add a lot, but oh my gosh. Josh!
It's not done yet.
Why is it not done yet?
Because I gotta do the swing arm.
Ah! Freaking swing arm, man! I'm too concentrated on this little bike. I couldn't make that work.
No, you tried.
I'm gonna try. Brave! We're gonna have to ride this weekend, I'm sorry. I brought my heat gear, I brought leggings. So, we have finally put the final touches on this baby. He's tightening it up, Is it complete? Complete. The build is complete. Oh. Heck yeah!
You like it?
Can't wait to ride it tomorrow while you're at work.
Go for it.
I'm just kidding.
Go for it.
No, that'd be awful.
I wouldn't.
Silly boy.
Creepers.